Hi, welcome to my newly redone train set. Made this basically all in one day. Look at all that track. That was all used on the other one too. But this one's bigger, widened it up some. Got a couple of curves in different places. No sidings or anything yet. Hope you guys like it, and I'll do a run with my train. So, sorry, train's pretty old. It's a little lumpy over there. Set my camera here. Nice and smooth. Got the hang of this now. I've only been doing trains for about, well, I did them when I was a little. Up in my room I used to have a train set. But then it was there was too many people coming over and stepping on them, so I moved it down here. And then I didn't do a lot down here. Left it for about 2 years. Came back, and then now I'm basically on it again. So I've only been doing it for about a year down here and maybe a year upstairs. So really only 2 years, but it wasn't really a real train set. I just had track going around my room. So I'm hoping to get a huge board that'll cover this whole floor maybe. It's for my new train set that I'm setting up right now. Dig up the old track again. So this is my train set, and